I'm going to show you a really cool experiment with water and ground black pepper. Start by taking a plate. I like to use a white one, like this, and pour on some water. Then take your pepper and sprinkle a bit all over the water, like this. You can see the pepper sits on the surface of the water, and if you dip your fingertip in, nothing really happens. You might get some pepper stuck to your finger, but that's about it. Next, take some washing up liquid and wipe a tiny amount on the end of your finger, like this. Then try dipping your finger into the water again. As you can see, the pepper seems to magically shoot away from your finger. So here's what's happening. The pepper sits on the water because of the high water surface tension. The water molecules are strongly attracted together. When we add a little soap, we break down this surface tension, and the top layer of water molecules very quickly spread out and carry the pepper with them.
Yes, move and touch. Yes, yes.